Kitty Mummy's barbecue review. Burger, 10 out of 10. I honestly tried to make it like a Big Mac, but
Actually, thanks to Asda.
yes, big thanks to Asda.
Making a yummy burger.
Yes, for delivering these delicious. You know.
And telling us about his Rottweilers.
Yeah. And you know what? I don't really want sausages anymore. I want a Frenchie.
Mum.
Tasty. If it was a sausage dog, that would have been. Yeah. Can we chuck him on the grill so he's a hot dog? I'm terrible at making jokes. And in Britain right now, we're hammering down. But, and may you ask, how are you keeping the fire going? Coal. Now, this was a tent. This is the tent I've been chilling in, trying to stay out the rain. Because you know, I hate the rain. So, this busting 10 out of 10. Update on the sausages. They're getting better. Oh my god.
They're on fire.
This sausage is on fire. This dog is a hot dog. 'Cause we threw him on the grill. See my tadpoles? I think some of them have turned into frog. Seriously, I almost tripped over this thing. YouTube, don't copyright strike me because of the copyright music in the background, please. I've been copyrighted enough times. Yeah. Right, I'll save some time. Right, another update on the sausages. They're kind of grilled. Almost ready to eat. And also, guys, I want to tell you something. You see this on my neck, on my fingers? Yeah. The fake nails. See, Mummy was generous enough to get me some of these. I know they've all fell off. But this hand's perfect though. Well, not exactly.
The rain's coming down really in big drops.
Y'all, reason 364 to never visit England. You'll be battered by rain.
What size is that raindrop? On my hand.
Oh my god, that's massive. Oh god, the camera's gone all blurry. Let me just... There. Right, camera cleaned. We any closer?
You don't get me a plate, boss.
Right, plate duty. Mission plate acquired. Oh, yeah.
Mission plate died.
Yeah, I dropped the phone.
Dopey woman.
Rude.
Dopey woman.
Rude. Well, what happened was I had the camera in my hand like this, so literally juggling with this. Oh, yum, 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 yum. Well, I was juggling and I dropped the phone and the sausage. I don't know why I'm walking in circles. Yeah, my content is not fire. Yeah, baby. This is the tent. Because it's been heavily raining. I think I've said this before, haven't I? Oh well, if I haven't, leave a comment down below if I haven't. And also leave a comment if I have. Well, this is the tent I've been sitting in because it's been hammering down. I was in Minecraft. I was in the tent playing Minecraft while fussing pumpkin. Chilling. What did you just throw?
A sausage. That landed up front. Could have gone in dog food for all I know.
Lol. Don't eat my viewers. They're friends, not foes.
So tasty.
Guys, let's run away from Kitty Mummy. She wants to eat you all. In the tent. Right. This is my burger. Do you want a bite? Oh my god, someone's chasing me. You'll see who that is. Bumpkin, he's trying to chase me. Right, here's a burger. Here's my burger. I'll have a bite. Tasty, right? Tasty. 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 Right. Great, we'll have to put a language warning now.
What word do you use when you burn yourself?
Sugar.
Burn yourself bad?
Sugar. The rain's mucking up my phone. Sausage update time. Almost done. No, that I'm gonna sing that song every update on how the sausages are doing now. How are the sausages doing? Doing. Sorry, I've got a mouthful of burger.
Ow, burn myself again!
Put a love heart emoji in the comments for Kissy Mummy, but don't put a fire emoji. Only if you hate her. Because Boo Kissy Mummy just burnt herself on an open fire. I'm going back. Sausage update time.
Right, litter tray outside.
He's put a litter tray outside.
Done. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.